The future of e-commerce isn't just one platform, it's to expand to Walmart. And Walmart is where it's at. If you don't have Helium 10, that's what's going to help you expand on Walmart because they have a product research tool, back-end tools. You want to start investing and looking into different tools like Helium 10, which is in the description, or even UpWise, which is completely free. So you can get A plus content, also called below the fold content, on your Walmart listings and stand out. That's going to be a big one. This one you can actually see directly how much sellers are making per month on Walmart. 78,000. Why are they all Pikachu? I'd have Pikachu blush. Tons of hey, Pikachu, 12,000 for the Squishmallow. 78,000 for the sleeping Pikachu. So those sleeping Pokemon are obviously going to be where it's at. And you can also kind of like do an analysis, dive into this deep, run Cerebro, so you can see how much money they're making, right? Now, we also have different case studies you can check out on our website, making $13,000 a month, suspension, approval for supplements, the list goes on. But a lot of this starts with a nice little step-by-step checklist. Easy, and it's going to be price, right? If your product is priced higher than Amazon is, they're going to purposely hide your listings. It's that simple, right? So you have to make sure you're looking at Amazon, and you can also submit a match to Walmart because Walmart's going to be scanning Amazon 24/7. They're one of the only platforms that does that, and they do it very well. So if you don't think they're going to find it, they will. They'll find the Amazon listing, even if it's a whole different UPC, GTIN, and then they'll match it. And if the Amazon listing is just 1 cent below yours, and you're going to figure out like, why is my product not generating any sales? And a lot of it starts with price, right? So trying to start with a lower price and then you can slowly increase it. That's going to help you in the long run, as well as submitting a match to Walmart on what your price actually costs. Now, to submit a match, you do have to submit a match of an Amazon competitor. Utilizing WFS. If you're not utilizing WFS, I don't think you're going to succeed long term on Walmart. Price promotion. Price promotion is huge. On Amazon, price promotion is very difficult because you have to run it. If you run a price promotion, it doesn't actually show. They kind of use your sales data, your last 90 days. On Walmart, it's pretty much, as of right now, free game. So you can have all these discounts. It's kind of right here, like this, these green crossouts right here. That's part of price promotion, where it kind of has these crossouts. Not only that, it pushes you to page number 1. So having a price promotion does help at the end of the day. Your listing quality score. This is an actual score that Walmart gives you. Amazon doesn't have this. I don't know any other platform that actually tells you how to get to page number 1, but this is it. Walmart actually gives you a score per listing, and they say, look, we're giving you a 50%. If you want to get to a 60%, you need to shorten your title. And you're like, no. And then all of a sudden, you're not generating any sales. If you focus on getting your listing quality score to 81% for your best sellers, you're going to show up on page number 1. And that means you're going to generate more sales. It's that easy. Like, they're pretty much telling you exactly how their algorithm works. And you can kind of see on the left side, on the right side, we're getting excellent. Once you start doing that, everything I talked about in number 1 through 4, you're going to get a special badge. It is called the Pro Seller Badge, where you get credit, you get 25% off, you pretty much get free commission when you sell a product on a lot of the products, pro listing discounts. You get a special badge, you get capital, where Walmart will give you capital for less than 1% sometimes, which is just completely phenomenal. You can also enroll in a rewards program, review programs. If you are a pro seller, these are pretty much reimbursed to you. So this is awesome to get extra reviews. There's also SEM ads. I'm not a huge fan, but I do want to mention it so that way you can learn it. So check out search engine marketing ads. They usually have like spend $100, get $100 for free to use, which isn't that bad. I would recommend to just test it out and see how it does. Only test it out on 1 of your listings or 2, which are your best sellers. But the real money is going to be in Walmart ads. Now with Walmart ads, always do the lowest price possible. So if it's going to be $10 a day, start with $10 a day. If the cost per click is 20 cents per click, start with 20 cents per click, right? Go as low as possible because a lot of times there's not that many competitors on Walmart. So you're going to be showing up number 1 either way. Review Accelerator, you get more reviews. Brand registered. So if you have a trademark, you can get brand registered, get videos on your listing. That's going to increase sales by around 15%. And then looking at we already mentioned Helium 10. Helium 10 keywords. I didn't mention this specifically, but you can actually see what keywords your competitors are running and what keywords they're running if they are running Walmart ads. So you can see if your competitors are running Walmart ads, what keywords they're running for Walmart ads, and what backing keywords they're ranking for Walmart. One of the most powerful tools that I recommend you use, especially if you have a lot of competitors. UpWise, I briefly mentioned this, so you can have below the fold content. We've got your brand shop and brand shelf. This is new. This will help you with Amazon, Walmart ads at the end of the day. So you can, it's similar to Amazon brand store. I definitely recommend it. Now, if you can just focus on a few, I'm going to say the most important is WFS. So that's Walmart Fulfillment Service. That's going to be your number one most important thing I highly recommend you start on. Then it's going to be listing optimization, just having really good photos. Don't just have one photo, don't have two. Have a lot of different photos on your listing that are all good and pretty much showcase your product being used. If you're selling a tennis ball, you should have somebody hitting the tennis balls in one of the photos. Listing quality score, I said to get it to at least 80 or 81% or higher. Have at least one 5-star review, and ensure your price is competitive. Walmart's slogan is save money, live better. Walmart, it's pretty much about price and then shipping fast, and you should be good to go at the end of the day. This is a pro tutorial. Now, this doesn't seem like a lot. You might already know this, but I'm telling you, this is what makes you get on page number 1 on Walmart and succeed on Walmart. It's that easy. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, let me know what to cover next in the comments. If you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.